pink baby bottle for her alive baby. Anyway, I got the new Ativa. Well, I won't even say it's the new. It's new to me. It may not be new to the world, honey. But I got the Ativa Micro Cut Shredder from Office Depot because, baby, we got a lot of stuff to shred. I mean, like pounds of old pay stubs, like mailings, you name it, credit cards, like all kinds of stuff. And it's just been accumulating over the years. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But look at her. She's so cute. It's an 8-sheet microcut shredder. And I'm excited for it. It's only just under 4 gallons. So like it's very petite, but which is fine because I don't need a whole lot. I'm not running an office, so yeah. But the big reason of why I got it is here. The junk drawer, y'all. I can't. I ain't embarrassed. Everybody got a junk drawer, but my shit has become, it's time. So all this is going to get emptied out. We're actually going to finally shred all this stuff. We're going to throw away what needs to be thrown away. We're going to put stuff where it needs to be. And I want to create like a drawer for all my tea packets and stuff. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I am a tea drinker. So yeah, this hopefully this will get transformed into that. It's a very rainy day here. It just stopped raining, y'all, but it was just coming down. So depending on the weather is when I'll be able to get out the house. But yeah. All my tea packet boxes have been sitting in this cabinet, this hanging cabinet shelf that I got from the Container Store. And I don't like it right here anymore. So I just need to transfer this into the drawer and I'll get some inserts. But yeah, I think it's going to be really, really nice. And then we should be more organized. I know I'm not the only one that has a drawer that looks like that insane and out of control. And sometimes you just get used to the clutter and the dysfunction. So yeah, I'm not ashamed that, you know, the drawer looks like this because I know I'm not the only one. But at some point you just get exhausted and tired and you just say, you know what, enough is enough because I can't keep putting stuff in here and it's just out of control. Like, in order to live a more organized life, you have to shred and declutter and remove and release, right? So that's what we're doing. So I'll show you guys the shredder in action in just a minute. All right, y'all. So get into this drawer. Like, this is a judgment-free zone, okay? But this is our junk drawer, as you guys can see. It's hot-ass mess, right? But we about to get rid of all of this dysfunction and clutter and foolery. And we're going to update this area and we're going to make it do what it do. So if you guys want to see this drawer transformation, honey, keep on watching, okay? It's going to be good. I think it's going to be good. I hope it's going to be good. And I'm going to show y'all how we use our, Jason's in the frame. I'm going to show y'all how we use our shredder. Oh, but I recorded it yesterday, so I don't remember. If I forgot to tell y'all, like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Like this video, share this video, all of that on this video. And yeah, follow us on our social media, which I will post the links in the description box. You guys know the drill. All right, so I just want to throw that in there in case I forgot. All right, so let's open this thing. I don't think I need to read instructions on how to use no shredder, child, but let's just go ahead and grab some stuff, shall we? I ain't finna hold y'all. These some. It's supposed to shred staples too. So this is more than 8 sheets, so I'm gonna just split it in half. Look at that micro cut, y'all. Y'all can't even see. How do I turn on the light? Hold on. There's supposed to be an LED light. Wait a minute, y'all. This is why you're supposed to read instructions, y'all.
But you never do that.
Where's the light, Jai? There's supposed to be a light. Let there be light. All right, y'all. I'm finna read the instructions real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I don't know, but In the picture, I mean, y'all can see there's a light, but maybe I guess when it fills up more, that's when. Let me zoom in so y'all can see this. Y'all see that? Careful. Oh my God, you guys. These are names of, so y'all know I'm adopted because I've talked about it on here. Baby, I'm shredding these because I think I finally figured out who my dad is. I'm just waiting on some DNA results still. We can go ahead and shred these lotto tickets because we didn't win.
So what you tell them what happened to the lotto tickets before?
Huh?
Tell them what happened to the lotto tickets. You left it in your purse.
Ta-da! Alright, y'all. I'm going to speed this part of the video up, but I want it to stay in the video. So we'll be back in a little bit, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and just keep shredding. Okay, y'all. We're going to pause for a second. But look what I found in here, y'all. These are pictures from when I was a baby. There's some pictures of my birth mom in here with my parents and me as a baby. And then this is my old, like, adoption.
How did you recover that?
Adoption agreement form. Like, that they had to fill out, I guess, before they met each other or whatever. Definitely not shredding that.
How did you recover that?
Granddaddy gave it to me. All right, you guys, here's our progress so far. We still got a long way to go, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll come back to y'all once we are done shredding the entire drawer. And yeah, so see y'all in a bit because it's going to take some time. Here where we at. This is just a random bag. This does not even scratch the surface, y'all. But I was able to pretty much shred everything that needed to be shred in one entire pass. Y'all, look at that. Like, I cannot. It's literally like confetti. So I just wanted to show you guys where we were. I'm going to go through this, and then I'm going to measure the drawer and then figure out what size inserts I need to find. Hopefully I can find them at the Container Store before they close, since today is Sunday. And yeah, so that's our progress, y'all. I was actually kind of nervous because, honey, that drawer was so filled. I didn't know if there was going to be something popping up out at me, but you know, because I hate critters, honey. But nothing was in there, thankfully. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. So we're going to organize all of our teas and stuff like that, and like whatever little gets and gadgets that I have that I feel like are appropriate that go with tea, okay? I'm not really a coffee drinker. I'm not opposed to having like a Keurig or something like that, but like I'm not rushing out the door to go buy that because I don't drink coffee, but I do drink tea. And I haven't been drinking it, and I feel like the reason why is because I can't really get to all my things in one spot. So that's the goal for this, y'all. So this is the drawer organizer that I got from the Container Store, and I measured it, so the bad boy should fit. It expands out to 22 inches. My drawer is 19 inches, so it better work. And the height is 2.5 inches, so it should fit. If it don't fit, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna figure it out. I know that. I want to just slide this off, just in case the shit don't hurt. I'm excited. You guys, look at it. It looks so good. Let's fill her up, y'all. all my teas, y'all. Get excited. So I want to do it like this. I don't know, y'all. I may have to get some dividers. Jai, you gonna open the door? I got a lot of tea. Let's see. It's gonna have to be like that. The reason why, if it was like a half, this is 2.5 inches in height. Mm-hmm. If it was a ½ inch shorter, then it would have worked. But yeah. And not only that, this is elevated because it's an insert inside of here, so that raises it. I don't know. We're gonna keep going, y'all, because this is what's happening. This is happening, y'all. Because the setup that we have is not it. It's not working. So this is our option. And I'll play around with it. You know what I mean? Like, it's not gonna be set in stone. But I see the potential. Okay, I have 2 boxes of lemon ginger, so we're just gonna put all lemon ginger over here. I see the potential, y'all, so it's okay. Got 1 extra. That's just out of place. I could scoot it back, friend. Yes, yellow. Good job. Okay, but why you want to touch? No. No, ma'am. Oh, shy. You see what I'm saying, y'all? This is real life over here, okay? I can't make this stuff up. Okay. All right, and then we got some. Oh, look, I got the perfect peach. Y'all, this tea is the best tea. Oh, my gosh. This mixed with the green tea with mango, change your life. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Like, so good. It's so good. Good. The ghetto. The ghetto. I'm definitely going to play around with it, y'all. I have to kind of like, I might need to find some like, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But, anything is better than what I had going on. That's for sure. And that's really the whole idea. Okay, I gotta figure something else out. I don't really like this. Only thing is that it won't shut. Well, what do y'all think? I don't know.
To me, it won't shut.
Like if I stand them up more, they don't really shut. We got our little emergency packets. I have those, so I'll just throw those in the back. So I found these cute little spoons, you guys, because like, why not? We want to be extra, honey. We're gonna be extra. I seen these Ghirardelli chocolate squares. I got them like I'm about to be dropping them in some like cappuccino, some coffee. Child, I don't drink that, but they're going in here because why not? Like. Okay, you guys, so this is kind of where we are right now. FYI, if you guys like red wine, this right here. Anyway, so this is kind of our little setup, you guys. So I want to put some, my friend was like, put some little biscuits, honey, in the little, you know, whatever. I was thinking like some little mini, tiny muffins or something. I need to find some prettier, like, cups to go here. Like, this is giving coffee. I don't know if this is really giving tea, but whatever. Let everything you do be done with love. This is our electric kettle. But look at our drawer, you guys. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Oh! It's cute. I don't know what's going to go here. But it's cute. It's cute, y'all. It's giving something. It's giving I got my shit together. Okay? This drawer is giving she has... This right here and this right here is giving, oh, she got her shit together. But what y'all don't know is everything else around is a disaster. But that's okay, because we're going to do one project at a time. But here's the final product, y'all. All of our tea in one spot. Not me getting the trash can in the frame. But yeah, cute little, these were from Home Goods, y'all. I don't know if I had told y'all that. And then, you know, just whatever, child. So yeah, here we go, y'all. This is it. Final project. Final product. It's real life over here, y'all. The toddler does not want to go to bed. She's over it. She wants to come out here and hang out. She thinks she's grown. But spread love. It costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them because it's free. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.